My name is Anala Smith. Thank you for joining me today. In this speech, I will be introducing an ecologist who, as stated in the Princeton University News, is described by his colleagues as a rising star. He has made numerous contributions to understanding the human impact on surrounding environments and ecosystems. Let's talk about Dr. Shane Campbell-Staton. Dr. Campbell-Staton has done a lot in the name of research and for the benefit of society, but first, let's delve into his background a little bit. He is an African-American ecologist from South Carolina. Now, one could assume that an ecologist would find their love for the outdoors through childhood camping trips, hiking, or some other adventure in nature. But this was not the case for Dr. Campbell-Staton. This kid from South Carolina discovered what would become his lifelong passion through watching the great crocodile hunter Steve Irwin, as stated by the Princeton University News. After reading his LinkedIn account, I discovered that he has not one but two different degrees. The first one he completed was a Bachelor's of Science for Ecology and Evolutionary Biology from the University of Rochester. He still had an urge to expand his knowledge, however, and completed a PhD at the Harvard University with a dissertation about how anole lizards have adapted to different temperatures across cities in America. After his formal education, he became a member of the National Science Foundation at the University of Illinois Champaign-Urbana, as well as at the University of Montana. As a member of the NSF, he gained federal grants to perform research around the world. Dr. Campbell-Staton studies the impact of human population growth has on the phenotypic expression of surrounding species. According to his project website, campbellstaton.com, he focuses specifically on evolution in the Anthropocene, meaning the current geological age, a period in which human activity is the dominant influence on climate and the environment. His research has impacted society greatly by bringing attention to the fact that humans are altering the evolutionary standards of the wildlife surrounding them. For example, one of his research projects was based on the ongoing phenomenon of elephants evolving to be tuskless. They discovered that the reason behind this was to deter poachers from culling entire populations of elephants. Dr. Campbell-Staton has brought many of such occurrences to light by hosting a 6-episode PBS show titled The Human Footprint. Now, I chose this ecologist specifically to talk about because I have always felt as though humanity is destroying the natural world. However, Dr. Campbell-Staton's research has shown me that what could be a fear can also be made into something truly hopeful for the future. He takes a daunting truth and finds a way to use that to understand how new possibilities may arise from it.